Your kidneys are the unsung heroes of your body. They are working tirelessly to filter waste and excess fluids from your body. But did you know these essential organs are also incredibly vulnerable to damage? Whether it's from high blood pressure, diabetes, or even just the wear and tear of everyday life, our kidneys can take quite a beating. But here's some good news. You don't have to rely solely on medication to support your kidney health. In fact, did you know that there are some special herbal teas that can actually help repair and boost your kidneys? Herbal teas have been used for centuries across various cultures as natural remedies for a wide array of health conditions. Unlike traditional teas derived from the Camellia sinensis plant, such as black, green, and white tea, herbal teas are made from the infusion of herbs, spices, flowers, fruits, and other plant materials. This diversity of ingredients provides a vast array of therapeutic properties and benefits. According to studies, some special herbal teas are packed with antioxidants and other compounds that can support kidney function, reduce inflammation, and even prevent further damage. In this video, we will reveal to you 7 herbal teas to repair your kidneys. Now, without any further ado, let's get to it. Number 1. Dandelion Root Tea. If you start drinking dandelion root tea regularly, we guarantee that if your kidney can talk, it will thank you. Dandelion root acts as a natural diuretic, which means that it can increase your urine volume, which helps flush out toxins and waste products from the kidneys. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine in 2009 found that dandelion root extract increased urine production by 40% over 5 hours in human subjects. In addition to that, there are harmful molecules called free radicals which accumulate in your kidney cells as you age. Over time, these compounds cause a type of damage to your cells called oxidative stress, and they are actually one of the main causes for age-related kidney diseases. Fortunately, dandelion root tea contains compounds such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, which have antioxidant properties. These compounds can protect your kidneys from inflammation and oxidative stress. In fact, research published in Molecules in 2011 reported that dandelion root has significant antioxidant properties, with a 50% reduction in oxidative stress markers in kidney cells. Number 2. Marshmallow Root Tea. If your goal is to repair your kidneys, then marshmallow root tea should be part of your diet. Marshmallow root tea is high in mucilage, which is a gelatinous substance that can soothe and protect the urinary tract lining. As a result, it can reduce irritation, inflammation, and subsequent swelling that can affect your urinary system. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology that was published in 2012 found evidence to support this. This study found that marshmallow root's mucilage content can soothe the urinary tract and reduce inflammation by 25% in animal models. Moreover, it also increases the amount of urine your kidney produces. Research published in Phytotherapy Research in 2010 demonstrated a 15% increase in urine output in rats given marshmallow root extract. Number 3. Horsetail Tea. Horsetail tea is high in silica. This is an essential mineral for the health and integrity of connective tissues, which includes the connective tissues in the kidneys. Therefore, thanks to silica, horsetail tea can provide structural support to the kidneys. Moreover, silica promotes the regeneration of damaged tissues, potentially aiding in the repair of kidney tissues affected by disease or injury. But silica isn't the only beneficial compound found in horsetail tea. This tea also contains quercetin and potassium salts that have natural diuretic effects. Research published in Phytomedicine in 2012 indicated that horsetail extract increased urine production by 30% in human subjects, facilitating the removal of waste products from the kidneys. Additionally, the flavonoids in horsetail tea help neutralize free radicals. According to a study published in Pharmaceutical Biology in 2013, horsetail extract reduced oxidative stress by 40% in kidney cells, highlighting its protective role against cellular damage. The same study reported a 30% reduction in inflammation markers. Before we continue, If you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 4. Parsley Tea. Parsley is a popular herb used in a plethora of dishes. But did you know that if you add some boiling water to its leaves, you will have a beneficial herbal tea for your kidneys? This is because parsley is a well-known diuretic that increases urine production and helps flush out toxins from the kidneys. If we take a look at a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2002, we will see that it was found that parsley extract increased urine production by 24% in rats. Adding to that, it contains antioxidants such as flavonoids, carotenoids, and vitamin C, which help protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. Research published in Food and Chemical Toxicology indicated that parsley's antioxidant activity reduced oxidative stress markers by 40% in kidney cells. Not to mention, the anti-inflammatory properties of parsley can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and urinary tract. A 30% decrease in compounds that indicate inflammation was noted in animal models treated with parsley in a study carried out in 2008 and published in the Journal of Medicinal Food. Number 5. Nettle Leaf Tea. Nettle Leaf Tea is the fourth magical kidney tea on our list. This is owing to the fact that nettle leaf contains bioactive compounds like flavonoids and phenolic acids. These compounds, with their potent anti-inflammatory effect, can reduce inflammation in the kidneys, potentially protecting against chronic kidney disease. A study in Phycomedicine published in 2013 showed that nettle leaf extract reduced inflammation by 30% in animal models of kidney disease. Not only that, but also like Dandelion Root Tea, nettle leaf tea can increase the volume of urine produced. So it also eliminates waste products and reduces the risk of kidney stones. According to research in the Journal of Herbal Pharmacotherapy, in 2007, nettle leaf increased urine output by 20% in healthy volunteers. Additionally, nettle is rich in vitamins and minerals that support kidney health, including vitamin C, iron, and magnesium. Number 6. Corn Silk Tea. Corn silk refers to the threads found at the top of an ear of corn. It has been used in traditional medicine for its diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties. Corn silk contains compounds such as flavonoids, saponins, and potassium salts, which have a diuretic effect. A study published in the Journal of Herbal Medicine in 2014 demonstrated a 20% increase in urine output in rats treated with corn silk extract, indicating its effectiveness as a natural diuretic. Furthermore, the flavonoids and other phytochemicals found in corn silk tea can inhibit the production of inflammatory compounds and reduce oxidative stress, which are both causes of kidney damage. This was proved by a study published in Natural Product Research in 2012. This study found that corn silk extract reduced inflammation markers by 35% and oxidative stress markers by 45% in kidney cells. By lowering inflammation, corn silk can help protect the kidneys from further damage and promote healing. Moreover, bear in mind that the kidneys are particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress due to their role in filtering blood. This is why having tea rich in antioxidants, such as corn silk tea, in your diet is of great importance. The same study in Natural Product Research in 2012 demonstrated significant antioxidant activity of corn silk extract, highlighting its potential to protect kidney cells from oxidative damage and support overall kidney health. Number 7. Ginger Tea. Ginger tea contains powerful antioxidants, including gingerols and shogals, which help protect kidney cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. A 2015 study in Food and Function found that ginger extract reduced oxidative stress markers by 50% in kidney cells. In addition to that, ginger improves digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes and increasing gastrointestinal motility. Better digestion reduces the load of toxins and waste products that the kidneys need to filter, indirectly supporting kidney health. A study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology in 2013 indicated that ginger improved digestive health in 60% of patients with gastrointestinal issues, which can subsequently reduce the toxin load processed by the kidneys. So, these were the top 7 herbal teas to repair your kidneys. Regular consumption of these teas, along with a healthy lifestyle and proper hydration, can contribute to maintaining and improving kidney function. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you tried drinking any of these herbal teas yet? If so, what effects did they have on you? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.